about to wrap. Last scene of the day, and we're about to. Hey guys, okay, so it's a little bit later in the afternoon. It is 3:33. Welcome to the vlog. I am right now just kind of getting things ready for tomorrow. I already cleaned the kitchen, the dishes, the bathroom, and did all of that. All I have to do now is take down some of the Christmas decorations and edit, and then meal prep for the rest of the day. You've seen me clean the kitchen all the time, and you're not ever gonna see me clean the bathrooms. I'm going to take some of these down, and yeah, let's do that. I have to use this butter knife. I'm gonna do this one first. I think I'm gonna keep the flakes on here. All right, just do this all together. I didn't even need the knife. Let's see if this one will come off just as easy. Nope, of course not. Oh no, maybe I should just keep that on there. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Of course I would. Anyway, let's get the garland down. I'm so sad about that. Maybe I should like. So I'm gonna keep the sticky stuff on the wall, just one so it doesn't take the paint off, and then two, I think I'm gonna keep the Christmas tree here because I feel like it's still cute, and that has a lot more components, you know, the lights, the bulbs, but it's officially unplugged. This is dangerous work, guys. Don't do this at home. I can save these, but now that I think about it, maybe not, because I just ripped the tops off. One second, I'm gonna go get the garland box. Or rather bag. Okay, so I'll leave this in there. And then I'm gonna keep it in the closet for next year. And this is the trash. I'm gonna figure out what to do with these guys. But it's either recycle or trash. But I have to like look it up. Okay? And then I'm gonna keep the Christmas tree for a little bit. It's just more parts, so I think I'm gonna break this up into a couple of days. So like maybe start with the ornaments and then the lights and then break down the trees one by one. Just because I feel like doing it all in one day is too much for my patience. So, yeah. So that's as much of the Christmas decorations I'm gonna take down. Now I think I'm gonna go and I'm gonna meal prep. And then honestly, kind of take it easy and do like a little bit of like a facial spa type thing for myself. Because yeah, I've been sick and I took 3 days off of working out. So I feel like I just need to like relax. Because Monday, we're going. And I've taken a big break on eating well yesterday and this morning. So, all right, so I'll see you guys when I meal prep. So whenever I'm having like a relaxation day, especially before the day before work, I love to do dim lighting. I love to do peaceful, like the sound of the shower is my favorite. Clean bathroom that I did today is my absolute favorite. So I'm gonna take a shower and then meal prep and do a face mask, maybe a lip mask, and then go to bed. Okay, so I'm in the middle of cooking and I'm hitting the point where it's time to go to bed. So I want to put a face mask on and maybe a lip mask because my lip has been really dry since it's been so cold. I'm thinking this cute little reindeer moisturizing and this grape sorbet choosy lip pack. I'm almost done cooking my food. I'm just gonna finish that up. While I'm waiting, I just picked my 3 face masks and then I am going to get that all put away and then do my little face masks. So I've already got these 2 packed up and ready to go. This is just the beans and the rice. So this is just the rice getting ready for the lentils and broccoli. Four days of meal prep. Okay, so I'm finally done with everything. And what I'm gonna do right now is put on a little face mask for like 15 minutes and relax, watch some TV, put my serums on, and then go to bed. So let's put on this eye mask first. It's a steam eye mask. And it's for 20 to 30 minutes. Oh wait, I can't do this because it's steam. I need like steam, so no, I'm not doing this. Instead, I'm just gonna stick with this reindeer facial mask, which is perfect because of the holidays. I'm in celebration of taking down some of my Christmas decorations. I haven't put any lotion or anything on my face just yet, so this is gonna feel nice. Oh, it's always so nice and cold. Okay, I took it off and now I'm just gonna rub this into my skin. Okay, so now that I'm done with that, I'm gonna put my Medeski moisturizer boost, and this is for under your eyes. I've been using this for a while. I put it on my ring finger. Clearly been using this for a while. I always keep this like cold in my refrigerator. I always feel like it feels so refreshing. I'm gonna put my firming serum. from the Real Bakucol. I don't know. Oh, it's so good that it's so cold. Okay, and after that, I'm gonna top this off with my recovery treatment oil. Oops. It just comes out so fast. It's definitely less dense than all the other ones. So, and then at the end of this, to seal this all in, I'm gonna put my moisturizer. This is like very glazed donut of me, and usually I don't put this much stuff on my face, but it's been so dry lately and my skin has felt so dry. So I was thinking the extra moisturization might help, but honestly, we'll see if I come up with so many pimples tomorrow. So this is my very, very winter dry skin moisturizing routine. I don't do this all the time. So this is when my skin is feeling really, really dry. So, oh, and I use my Matcha Dewy Skin Cream for my moisturizer. All right, so that's it for tonight. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll have another video for you tomorrow. Write down below your favorite moisturizer, because I'm looking for a new moisturizer because that dewy cream is a little bit expensive for me right now. So comment down below your favorite moisturizer that is really affordable. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow with a new video. Bye.